Hey my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Okay folks, this is Christmas Day in St. Kitts. I was on my way to St. Paul's and the Chinese them strike and they block the island road. Chinese on strike, block the island road so nobody can pass. Only in St. Kitts. This is not nowhere, this is St. Kitts folks. Chinese on strike, they ain't, nobody can pass. They block the road. Here's Junior Delaney who's going to fix his fridge. Yep. 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 Barrier again. No, wait. Yep. I don't believe this. This is St. Kitts. Chinese on strike in St. Kitts, block the road. I'm coming. Yep, they put back up the barrier. Some cars go through. They're working on this thing and they say no fucking body passing. Look at this shit. Only in St. Kitts. Juni moving the thing.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is having the best of holidays and I wish everyone a prosperous New Year's. Alright. Now viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where it is said that persons that are said to be Chinese are on strike in the country that is known as St. Kitts and Nevis. Alright. And that is in the Caribbean, right? That's St. Kitts and Nevis that is in the Caribbean. You see? Now, based on some of the things that has been said on social media, you know, and based on how I understand as to what has been said on social media, it would seem as if persons out there are wondering what could have caused something like this. This is what I'm saying to you. And it's the first time I'm seeing something like this, viewers and subscribers, you know. I am not Mr. Know-it-all, you know. I can't know everything, you know. And it had me curious. You see me? Alright. Now, I don't have any information as to what could have caused this, viewers and subscribers. Alright. But this video is out on social media where, you know, things have been said about it. And this video is getting somewhat of a buzz. So I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at this video. You can also tell me what you think. You know what I mean? And you don't know me Dancehall skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. Right? So this video is out on social media where it says that persons that are said to be Chinese are on strike in St. Kitts and Nevis, that is in the Caribbean. Alright? Yeah. And it is said that this had happened on Christmas Day. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.